What if you could turn a simple idea into a cinematic masterpiece? For example, like Mission Impossible, the airplane scene, just by typing it. Google just made that possible.
Tom Cruise needed $100 million to do that, say, and I need one prompt.
Welcome to Flow.
This town ain't seen nothing yet.
The future of filmmaking powered by AI. In this video, we'll break down exactly what Google Flow VEO 3 is, how it works, and how you can start creating stunning videos right now. So how does it work? Flow uses a deep generative model that's been trained on thousands of hours of video and cinematic theory. You give it a prompt, and it generates high-definition video up to 1080p, complete with realistic camera movements, emotional lighting, and dynamic scenery. Once you're inside the Flow platform, the layout is sleek and intuitive. At the top, you'll find the prompt input. Just describe what you want to see. Below, there are sliders for camera angle, style, cinematic, animation, realistic, duration, and aspect ratio. What can you actually use Flow for? Almost anything. YouTube intros, music videos, short films, concept art animations, product ads, storyboarding for big projects. The best part? No expensive camera, no crew, no location permits. Just your imagination and flow. To get the best results, you've got to speak Flow's language. Here are some tips. Be specific. The more detail you give, the more cinematic the result. Like all AI tools, Flow has limitations. It sometimes struggles with faces or complex interactions. It might not always understand abstract or sarcastic prompts. And for now, it's in closed beta, so not everyone has access. But with Google behind it, Flow is evolving fast. Imagine full-length movies generated in hours, interactive storytelling, real-time edits. We're witnessing the dawn of a new cinematic era. Google Flow, or VEO 3, is Google's latest leap in text-to-video AI. Imagine describing a scene like, a samurai walks through a neon-lit alley in the rain, and getting a hyper-realistic cinematic video back in seconds. It's more than just cool visuals. Flow understands motion, light, emotion, and story. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or just someone with ideas, this tool bridges imagination and reality. Google Flow is more than a filmmaking tool. It's a creative revolution. If you've got a story to tell, this is your time. Would you use AI to direct your next film? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe for more content on AI, filmmaking, and the future of creativity.